different logos that I will work on, so I can sketch them though, then I will work on it. Okay, let's look at something we can create together. Now this is G, but I trying to make the G more creative, so I can't just use this G like this. I should do something with this G. Okay, let's look at it. Let me look at something I can do. So just watch me create this logo. Just watch me create this logo. Please do not mind the background noise. That's the environment. My neighbors are really having fun because of the lockdown, so do not mind the background noise. Just pay attention to your tutor. I hope you get that. Okay, this G. Okay, let me make it more. Just follow me. I'm gonna create something that you will like, and I'll show you someone how to create now. You will actually like it. So G evolution. Okay, now let me have my R. So let me have my R. Okay, so we can have the perfect. Now logo creation comes with creativity, so you can actually be creative with your logo creation. So just about your creativity, and you will get the best from it. Now if you look this very well now. Okay, now you look at this, you will see something I just created now. Okay, this GR. Okay, GR. Okay, evolution. Just focus. Now it's just about your creativity. Don't forget that. Okay. Now when you do the brand color here is red, blue, and black. So just have it in my. I'm working on red, blue, black. Okay, can see what I just come up with now. Now listen up. This is just a concept. You can do like 5 samples. You just keep creating, just keep creating. Then you send it to your clients. Keep creating. This must talk about what your clients really want. Now I'm just creating something. I'll still do more, so I'll show you the output later. I'm just creating from series of samples of logo. Just watch me. Okay, let me just stop here now. I will show you the next concept of logo creation. Thank you.